Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Lia Amelia Istiqomah.
My name is Andre Bakhtiar.
We are students from English Department of
UIN Madura.
We are students from English Department of UIN Madura.
And our segment today is about speech.
Ladies and gentlemen, we all know Indonesia is a beautiful country. It has so many natural and cultural wealth. Culture itself is customs, art, and achievement of particular nation, people, or other social group. Actually, there are more than 100 cultures in Indonesia. There's a traditional dance, traditional song, Batak ethnic, wayang, batik, etc. But unfortunately, young generation nowadays is living in a globalization era. They don't have any interest with their own culture. They believe that this world is borderless and you can access any information, talk with anybody without limitation. Generation nowadays is having mindset about international scale. Anything they do is all about Western thing. They behave like street dance, anything about Western style. They like hip hop dance, R&B more than their own songs. And young generation nowadays tend to use English or Korean or other language more in social media because they think that Indonesian language is old-fashioned. And also, teenager nowadays is using internet or social media such as YouTube, Twitter, or Instagram to see about the Western or other culture like breakdance, street dance, and etc. They don't want to learn traditional or see traditional dance because they think those are not trendy, right? So, ladies and gentlemen, we are standing here to tell you all how important culture awareness is. Why do I say like that? Because if not us, the teenagers, the young generation that take care of our culture, then who else will do it? Do we going to let our culture extinct? Of course, no. We don't want to let that thing happen, right? So, brother and sister,
Brother and sister. First, our cultural awareness is important for us because our culture show about characteristic of our country. For example, that people see about Rio Ponorogo and Batik dance, they will recognize our country. Cultural awareness is important for business thing, right? International business should always handle overseas dealing with a cultural sensitive to avoid offense to foreign a business college, clean or supplier. Being culturally will allow your business to handle international relations with respect and understanding, resulting in effective cross-cultural management and successful business dealing. So, dear happy audience, because of that important we have to save our culture. Here I want to tell you all the way we can improve the culture awareness for young generation. First is proud to be Indonesia. We don't have to be ashamed to be a part of Indonesia. Instead of just learn about foreign skill, we can to increase our Indonesian language more and trend it. For example, if we make hashtag of Twitter like hashtag Indonesia Language Day or hashtag my local language, we can also attract other people to know about it and join it. Second is to make the teenagers know they love our dance and music. We have to make them realize that our music and dance is also great and not old-fashioned. And also, we can create something like mix our culture, mix between Mayang Rontek dance and another dance and make it more fun. And the last and the most important thing, we have to educate and inform them about Indonesia culture. Because their carelessness is due to the fact that nobody informed them about our culture.
The last and the most important, we have to educate and inform them about Indonesian culture. Because their carelessness is due to the fact that nobody informed them about our culture.
So ladies and gentlemen, don't be the generation that will destroy our culture. But let's be the generation that save our culture. Because if it's not us, the young generation, who will do it? Then who else? Who else is going to do it? So that's all from us. Thank you very much for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.